going to discuss about regulation of gene expression. So let us start the topic. Now, in exam they can ask you regulation of protein synthesis also. Now there are genes which can be switched on as well as switched off as per the requirement of the cell. So in our cell there are two types of genes. One is called constitutive genes. What are these? They synthesize the enzymes all the time. What are on-demand genes? They are of two types. If needed, they are switched on. If these enzymes are not needed, they can be switched off. So, for this gene expression, we should know what is operon model. We have to explain this in a bacterial gene expression and their control. Now, this is a structure of a DNA. On a DNA, there are various genes which you should know. First of all, let us start. If you remember what are structural genes, we have already seen. Suppose Z, Y and A are structural genes. Just before that, always remember there is operator gene. Before the operator gene is promoter gene, and before promoter gene is regulator gene. Now let us see the function of each one. This regulator gene, or in some books I gene it is written, or LAC-R gene is written. It is outside the operon. It produces repressor protein. If this repressor protein binds to the operator, then that will be switched off. If repressor gene bind to the operator, then it will be considered as switched on. Suppose this is an operator gene and repressor gene has bind to it, so it is switched off. Suppose this is an operator gene and this is repressor gene, it is not bind to it, so this is switched on. What is the function of promoter? Always remember, on promoter, RNA polymerase enzyme binds. It is present on this. What is its function? If you remember, its function is for transcription of operon. And when it will operate, it will start synthesizing mRNA on the structural genes. What is the function of operator? Operator means it is under the control of repressor gene. And it starts mRNA synthesis. And lastly, what are structural genes? You know, they will be removed, they will be doing transcription and translation and forming protein chain and enzymes in short. Let us see example. Jacob and Monod, they have developed LAC-operon in E. coli bacteria. So let us see that. This is the same structure of DNA having regulator gene, promoter, operator, and these are structural genes. Now here, what is the function of regulator gene? It will undergo transcription. What is formed? mRNA is formed. This mRNA now will undergo translation, and in translation what is synthesized? One protein. We call it as a repressor protein. This repressor protein which is synthesized is very active and it will go and bind to the operator. So it will close or block the operator, due to which promoter will not be allowed to release RNA polymerase enzyme, so it is blocked now. Due to this, now structural genes will not be able to transcribe their particular proteins. That is, no genes will be synthesizing anything. So this particular phenomena is called switched off. Why it has happened? Because here lactose was absent in the medium of the bacteria. Now suppose the lactose is given in the bacterial growth medium, then what will happen? So let us see this case. This is as usual the structure of DNA. Now let us start. What repressor gene will do? It will release mRNA, transcription, then translation, so repressor protein is synthesized. In the medium, what is present? Lactose. So these are the lactose molecules. They will bind to the repressor protein. So what happens here? The repressor protein becomes inactive. Now this is not going to bind to the operator. It remains here only. So this is switched on now. So now what will happen? Promoter will release its RNA polymerase enzyme. As soon as it is released, it moves and the structural genes start their protein synthesis. So there are 3 genes here, Z, Y and A. These genes will undergo transcription, their mRNAs are released, then they will go translation, so their own proteins are formed, and you know protein chains are nothing but their enzyme. So Z gene will produce beta galactosidase, Y gene will be producing permease enzyme, and A gene will release trans-acetylase enzyme. Now why these enzymes are released? Because lactose which is present or entered in the bacteria cell will be hydrolyzed by these enzymes only and will be converted into glucose and galactose, which will be taken as the nutrition by the bacteria. So this is called switched on. So both the examples you should write in exam if it is asked about switch on and switched off. Another example we will take of operon is over here, tryptophan. 5 enzymes are needed to synthesize tryptophan. So operon is switched on. But if tryptophan is added in the medium of bacteria, there is no need of enzymes to synthesize this tryptophan, so it will be switched off. Let us see with the diagram. This is the structure of DNA. As you know, these are the locations. So let us see when there is tryptophan is over here not present. So repressor gene will transcribe mRNA synthesized, then it will undergo translation. So this is repressor protein which is inactive. It is not going to bind to operator. So automatically RNA polymerase will start its synthesis because it is switched on. And all 5 enzymes will be synthesized in the form of transcription and translation. Suppose this is A gene of A protein, B protein, C, D and E. And you know what are proteins? They are enzymes. So the enzymes are X1, X2, X3, X4 and X5. All these 5 enzymes are necessary to synthesize tryptophan. So tryptophan, when it is to be synthesized, it is switched on. Let us see second part. Now repressor protein or repressor gene will undergo transcription, translation, and what is ready? This particular structure, repressor protein. Now who is present in the medium? Tryptophan. This tryptophan binds to the protein and it makes it active repressor protein. This quickly binds to the operator. When it binds, what do you mean by that? Operator is switched off. Means the RNA polymerase enzyme cannot pass here. So these structural genes will not be able to synthesize the enzyme. It is because here it is switched off. Thank you.